Hi guys, well I'm still working on the bed. I'm also started on working at the rear part of the driver's side wall. I'm finishing up some wiring over here and I installed a window ledge that's finished on top with the Formica on the outside, so that looks nice. This will be insulated underneath and then as soon as that's done, I still have to do a couple of layers of poly. I'll finish it up with some thin plywood like over here. Then the next step will be putting in the water tank, the fresh water tank. It's a sizable water tank of about 46 gallons. Will go all the way under the closet. And the closet will be over there. I'm still not sure how I'm gonna cover the window. That'll be either some kind of a blind or just plain Reflectix material. But first I'll concentrate on the water tank, which will have a few interesting attachments to it. I got two 8-gauge wires here and will power up this bus bar. Everything I connect to this bus bar will be negative. On these points I'll be able to connect the LED lights in the toe kick. I have room for a lamp that I'm still thinking of. Got some wires to the future DVR to power that up and some lights above the bed. And the closet is about 2 feet wide, and I will have a slider here at the top where you can pull it out. Then we have access for the water tank here in the rear. I got at least 2 holes that need a plus nut. They look the same size, but they're different in size. Okay, that's one. 2 points to attach the wood to. Two slight indents, but sufficient enough to locate where the holes have to be. Okay. I hope the 2 plus nuts would have been sufficient, but there's still some movement in there, so I'll put a third one in. That works, and that works nice too. Now I have to taper this end, and by adding this width on this side, I can make an easy taper. Okay. Okay, this fits well. Added some supports on the sides. The area below here will be insulated and then covered by some plywood. I shall finish this part by putting some polyurethane on the inside and some Formica on the outside. Go. Okay. Let's try and fit it. Still got the ringer for my backup sensor that I still have to find a place for, so what I'll do is I'll try and guide it back to the column. Okay. I'll stick the buzzer of my backup sensor here on the inside wall. It makes too much noise anyway. Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe, or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys! done a good job.